everybody. This question was from Meech, I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. So thank you for asking me how to come up with the height for the volume of 12 inches cubed on this cone with a diameter of 3 inches. So I kind of just drew out what the picture would look like. And then I'm going to take a look at, first of all, what is the formula for a cone? So the formula for a cone is pi r squared times our height all divided by 3, or you could say 1/3 of pi r squared times height, but I like to do it this way. So we are going to start with the diameter. We're given that information. We're also given the volume of this. So since diameter is not really necessary or needed for this type of a problem, I do need to figure out what the radius is. So the radius is just half of whatever the diameter is. So I'm going to take 3 divided by 2, and you get 1.5 for the radius. Now, we need to figure out that height, so we're going to figure out what that is by using all the other information that we're given. So we do have the volume, which we're told was 12 in this problem. And again, this was just information that was given to me to help me solve this problem. And we're going to take and rearrange the numerator here because I like to put the radius and square that first, just to make sure that the order of operations is correct. So we're going to take 1.5 and we're going to square that. Then we're going to put pi. We're going to put h at the end because that is the thing we're solving for. Now there's a few ways you can handle going through this. I personally would do this a lot faster, but again, if you're in here looking at videos, you probably need a few extra steps with this. So I'll show you the few extra steps to begin with. So the first thing I want to do is square that 1.5. So as you can see, I just got my calculator here. We're going to just clear it out, 1.5, and you're going to hit that square button, which is right here, which is 1.5 times 1.5, which you get 2.25. So I'm just going to rewrite that over here underneath. So 2.25 pi h divided by 3. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get rid of that division of 3. We're trying to get h by itself. We've got all this stuff around it. So we're going to start by multiplying both sides by 3. That way, what's going to happen here, the 3's will eliminate to make just 1 so that they're just, canceling each other out, which leaves me with 2.25 h and pi over here. We'll rearrange it so that it's the other way around. And then 12 times 3, which is 36. Next thing is, this is all multiplication. So I want to get rid of all these things that are multiplied by doing this division one step at a time. You can do it more, at once, but I'm going to do this the step-by-step version. So we're going to start by the number, which is 2.25. We want to divide both sides by 2.25 so that we can get that h by itself. So I'm going to do 2.25 divided by on this side, over here as well. Now that's going to cancel, leaving me with pi times the h. And when I do 36 divided by 2.25, we're going to end up with 16. Now here's where it's going to start to get not exact anymore. So I'm going to divide both sides by pi because we want h by itself. So now you do have h all alone. We're going to put an approximation here. And then we're just going to do 16, as you can see right here, divided by, and then we're going to hit the pi button, which is right here, like that. It equals, and we get a rough estimate at 5.1 if you want to round it to the nearest tenth, or if you round it to the nearest whole number, it would be just 5. So this is going to be inches because that's what our measurement is. If you want more questions like these, find them on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. These can be located in the playlist of volume. Like, share, and follow for more.